How to comment on Instagram stories. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comment on Instagram stories. To comment on Instagram stories, you can simply follow these steps as this feature has been recently updated to allow public comments. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, here at the top, tap on the profile picture of a user whose story you would like to view. Once you open it, while viewing the story, look for the comment section in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on this add a comment option at the bottom left, and then now you can add or type your comment. You can express your thoughts or reactions in the story content. After typing your comment, tap on this arrow facing upward at the right side of it to post it. Your comment will be visible to anyone who can see this story. If in case you didn't see the comment option, that means the comments are disabled for that particular story. So by following these steps, you should be able to comment on Instagram stories. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.